Being in a couple is great. And one of the best parts is you get to play the best pranks on your partner. Food pranks are especially good, right? Bathroom break time! Aw, come on! I need to use the bathroom! What? What do you want? You've been in there forever! Jeez! I love this magazine. It's awesome! Are you kidding me? Luna used up the toilet paper and didn't replace the roll? You know what? That gives me a good idea. Time for some toilet payback. Step 1. Plastic wrap on the toilet bowl. Gotta make sure there's enough of it. Next step, chocolate spread. So delicious. Not so delicious when I pour it on the plastic wrap, though. Look at all that chocolatey goodness. Excellent! This will totally freak her out. Now all I have to do is wait. I'm so tired. Mornings are hard, but I slept good at least. Ooh, she's in the bathroom. Ah! What? What is this? Ha! She fell for it! She's freaking out! Wait! Why is there an empty jar of Nutella in here? Huh. Suspicious. Oh, he's pranking me! Well, two can play at this game. I totally got you! You screamed so loud! Yep, you got me alright. Sure, alright. Ew, what? Gross! Okay, so you got me back. I gotta go wash this off. Yay! New groceries! I love when our food is restocked. Whoa! I'm falling! Ouch! What the heck did I trip on? Ugh, Kevin's shoes are all over the floor. He needs to be taught a lesson. Let's see. His hat is over there. Yeah, I think I can make that work. I'm gonna need some duct tape. I'll tape half a piece to the wall and the other half to this cup. Perfect. It's keeping it in place. Now to add the cocoa powder. I'm gonna fill the entire cup. Perfect! Better hold the cup while I replace the hat. Yes! He can't see the cup under the hat. Better get my camera ready for this. There he is! I can't believe it. He's just kicking the shoes aside. Any second now. He's going for the hat. Here it comes! Hey! What the heck? You! I see you in there. You did this. Okay, truce. Come on out. Me? I guess I can? Ha ha. Very funny. But let's show off your success. Come here. We'll take a selfie together. Yay for prank wars! Aw! You got it all over me now, too! Ha! Guess I got you back. We're ridiculous. I love warm tea in the morning. Ah, so good. Better put the cup in the sink. Let's see. Ah, it'll fit right here. Maybe I should clean them? Nah, it's fine. Alright, a new box of cocoa powder. This is gonna be good. Just need a mug. Wait. What the heck? Look at all those dishes! Every single mug is sitting dirty in the sink! Ugh, disgusting! How did it even get to this level? Well, that just means it's time for another prank. I'll need this mug, and I'll need some yogurt. Some old yogurt. Into the mug it goes. Next up, ketchup and mustard. Perfect. Nice and gross. Now for the paper. Just gotta flip it quickly so it doesn't spill too much. Great. Now I'll just slide the paper away. Gonna need some whipped cream to really sell this. Great! Sprinkles will really make it look nice. Luna! Come in here, please! Look! I made you a mug of hot chocolate. Aw, thanks so much! It looks good! I'll just take this with me. Ha! You totally fell for it! What? Where's the cocoa? There isn't any, because all the dishes are in the sink. This was a prank? Okay, fine. I'll clean the dishes. Ugh, what a tiring day. I'm so glad I'm home. I just need to relax for a bit. Oh, looks like I'm alone. Time for my secret stash. This will really help me feel better. Wait, what the heck? It's only wrappers! Where's all the candy? Oh no! Here he comes! I've gotta hide this! Then I was thinking we could hit the court later. Phew! That was a close one. He almost saw my box. Hey, how's it going? Oh, fine. Wait a second. Is that chocolate on his mouth? Kevin, is this what you're looking for? It is chocolate on his face! He's the one who ate my secret candy stash! Oh, that little sneak. I've definitely gotta teach him a lesson for this. I'll need a cupcake liner and some whipped cream. I'll start with just a little in the bottom. Now I'll just put a whole egg in the liner. Back to the whipped cream. I've gotta cover the egg. Perfect! The beginnings of a prank masterpiece! Some cocoa powder will make it look nice too. He won't be able to tell that it's not a regular cupcake. This is gonna be an epic prank! Kevin, do you want this cupcake? For me? Of course I'll take it! Looks great! What the heck? What is that? Gross! It's a raw egg! Why did you do that? Oh, I don't know. Maybe because you ate all my candy? Alright, you got me! Can I go now? Never eat a girl's secret stash of candy. Tell us in the comments which of these pranks was your favorite. And don't forget to share this video with your friends and subscribe to our channel for more great videos like this one.